Day 4 in Japan and we're going to Osaka. So from Fukuoka, check out muna kami around 9 AM. Nag-check out na kami dito sa Akasaka Heights. And then diretso na kami sa domestic airport ng Fukuoka. May airport line na dito sa Akasaka. Pero medyo naligaw pa kami ng konti. 12 noon yung aming flight. So around 10:30 nandito na kami. And we booked through Peach Airlines. We paid around 40,050 yen. That's around 3,100 plus per person. May kasama na kaming 220 kilograms na baggage. Medyo mahigpit sila sa baggage, kaya talagang nag-add na kami. And you can only check in 45 to 30 minutes before your flight. Sobrang smooth lang ng process and very strict yung security process ng baggage check. So talaga minimake sure nila na walang mga power bank sa mga naka-check-in na baggage. And sobrang ganda ng kanilang airport, ha? Domestic lang to, pero parang international airport. Itong Peach parang Cebu Pacific din, kulay violet lang yung seat, ganon. Sobrang smooth lang nung biyahe, 1 hour lang, nakalapag na kami sa Kansai International Airport. And nag-lunch muna kami since around 1:30 to 2 PM na to. So lunch muna kami and we got the Osaka Amazing Pass. I got this one from Klook. You can use my Klook promo code FLO kaya inglet Klook for discounts. Alin sa mga train rides and some attractions pero hindi kasama yung dito sa airport night. Dito na kami bumili ng ticket, 970 yen papuntang Ebisucho. So from the airport nan kay Namba Line, tapos lipat lang kami san kay Suji Line, then Ebisucho. Sakto yung check-in namin dito sa City Fuyaju, 4 PM. Pahinga lang ng konting room tour. And inactivate na rin namin yung Osaka Amazing Pass namin. Nasa tapat lang ng hotel namin tong Osaka Shinsekai and nandito yung Chutenkaku Tower. And sa Osaka Amazing Pass, free na yung tower slider dito and yung observation deck. So ayan, kahit takot na takot si tatay, nag-tower slider pa rin siya.
Let's go!
After ng Chutenkaku, bumiyahin na kami papuntang Dotonbori. In-avail naman namin tong Wonder Cruise. Free lang din to, but you have to make a reservation. Around 7:30 reservation namin and umabot naman kami. Yun nga lang maulan. Dalawang attractions lang nakuha namin sa Osaka Amazing Pass namin. Since 1-day pass lang yung kinuha ko. And then nag-dinner lang kami ng takoyaki dito. Since may nakabook ako na Team Lab Botanical Garden, but
nakaduwang kami. Kasi naman
ayun, nakala ko 9:30 last entry. Yung pala, close na sila ng 9:30. 8:30 PM yung last entry nila. Pero okay na rin na pumunta kami kasi na-reschedule namin yung ticket namin and sobrang bait nila, pinayagan naman nila to reschedule our ticket. But sobrang pagod talaga, around 10:30 PM na ata kami nakauwi. And ayun nga, sobrang jam-packed tong araw na to. And yun nga palang Osaka Amazing Pass, hanggang 3 AM lang siya. Kahit anong oras mo pa siya inactivate, until 3 AM lang siya. Sobrang tipid naman siya with the transportation since libre na yung mga train rides namin. We only spent around 2,770 yen for this day since libre nga yung mga transportation namin using the Osaka Amazing Pass. Then before umuwi sa hotel, ayan, Family Mart muna for our dinner. That's it for day 4 and USJ naman tayo sa day 5. Thank you so much for watching. Keep following me for vlogs and just go with the flow. Bye!